Welcome back to the channel. Once again, I am day trading futures, the NASDAQ NQ contracts. Today's Friday, September 26, 2025. PCE data was released. We got this nice push up here, and then the move kind of faded. So I'm going to be trading my PA account down here, 50,000 account. It's 51,565 currently. And then I've got this Apex evaluation down at the very bottom that's fresh, 50,000 even. And yesterday I actually had a couple of bad trades, or losing trades, I guess. They were decent entries, but losing trades. And this account got down to 48,000 and something, and I was pretty sure it hit my trailing drawdown, but this morning I was actually just testing it and it actually let me trade. So I'm not sure what's up with that, if I'll be able to trade that or if there was a glitch, but it's still, because I think it kicked me out yesterday when I thought I hit my trailing drawdown. But you know, if it's still alive, I'll bring it back up and try to get it funded. But the main goal today is to trade the PA account, the funded account, get at least one, maybe two winning trades, 10 points each trade. That's my goal. Anywhere from $350 to $400 in profits is what I'm aiming for on that one each day. And then I switch over and trade evaluations. Trying to stack evaluation accounts and just get those funded one by one until I have 10 funded accounts stacked up. And then once I'm consistently getting those 10 payouts every 8 days from Apex, then I will continue scaling up to 20 accounts. So that's the goal, that's the plan. Just got to keep taking the good trades, stay away from the entries that aren't ideal, take A+ setups, momentum continuations, flags, and reversals. And I've got a couple of things I've been working on this week to try to improve certain types of entries, and just kind of get a couple more things dialed in so that I have more tools and more skills, more different ways of making money with trades. So I've got my main three, and I've just been trying to learn a couple other things just to add to it so that no matter what the market conditions are, I'm able to get in there and pull out some money. So that's the goal. So market will be open in just about 2 minutes or so. Stay tuned. Make sure you're subscribed to this channel. I post these videos pretty regularly. I was doing every day. Now it might be every other day, every 2 to 3 days. It just depends. If I start getting some good feedback on these videos and people seem to like them, you know, I might go back to every single day. But we'll see. But time to be patient and see what the market gives us today. Strong momentum to the downside. Go ahead and try to grab these 10 points right here on the downside. Let's see if we get it. Can we get it? Once again, I've gotten this trade a couple of times this week right at open. Let's see if we can pull it off again. Can the market push? There we go, 10 points. Man, that's pretty awesome. That's a good way to start the day. Strong momentum. You just hop in there and ride with that momentum. Just don't get greedy. Try to grab 10 points and get out. ATR is only 12, so I was kind of lucky to grab 10 points that quick. But see, we can get buyers stepping in and push up pretty quick. So that's why I just try to get the 10 points and get out. The first 15 minutes of market open can be crazy, so that's why I want to be quick in, quick out with those kind of trades. But I've gotten a few of those this week, so that's pretty good. Let's see what else we get. Strong 5-minute candle. Do we just keep going higher? Yeah, there's strong momentum to the upside now. Let's hop in there and try to grab that. Can we push it? Can we push it?
With it, you can stand still while others are swept
Come on,
away.
come on, come on. A couple more points, couple more points.
You must earn it, hammer by hammer, blow by blow, until you are tempered like steel. And even then, you must guard it, polish it, and test it each day.
Push it, push it, push it. Strong momentum, come on.
Not gifted.
Alright, I'm getting out of there just because right at market open, it's too crazy. You know, that was a kind of a risky trade, but still got a few points. Alright, looks like we're going to go lower. As of right now, that's how it's looking.
From ignoring your own rules, it is not a victory at all.
Try to grab 10 points on the way down.
Poison the perilous it teaches pride.
Oh no.
Pride is the quickest road.
Oh no.
Winning the wrong way happens when a man ignores his own rules and gets lucky.
Well, that was a bad idea.
He enters trades for the wrong reasons out of
Down 500 now.
Out of the hope is are honest, they teach you what you need to learn. Lucky wins are dishonest, they teach you how to
let's try to grab 10 points on the way down right here.
Why this is so destructive.
Come on, 10 points, there we go. Got some of my money back.
Numbers. I'd sit there watching how the figures printed, and I could tell, without a word spoken, if a stock was weak or...
Alright, I'm going to try to grab a quick short.
Why was that? Because my mind was tuned.
Thinking we might kind of be stuck in this little range for a little
Most of
bit.
the other boys, they were waiting to be sure. I'll tell you something most won't admit. The market is a cruel teacher, but it gives fair lessons. It punishes ignorance the same way it punishes arrogance.
Come on, go ahead and drop down. There we go. 10 points.
Well,
Almost back to break even.
how many of
Percent of breakouts fell, and there's a lot of fucking red. So let's see if we can go back down there and take out that
It's
low.
about being prepared before the moment comes.
It should be about 30 points.
When fear would paralyze an untrained man, the
So I'm
soldier
kind of just betting that we stay in this range for a while, maybe all day.
and your discipline is your only weapon.
Let's see if it works
You
out.
don't forge it through endless repetition. You'll break the first time the bullets fly. Do you want to learn this in safety, or do you want to learn it while losing your fortune?
Alright, I'm gonna
The
go.
choice is yours, but either way, you will learn.
Let's see.
Even after decades, I still feel the pull of weakness.
Alright, I think we got this. Nice strong move down. 17 points in the money so far. 20.
There will always be the whisper of greed, that pang of fear. The difference now is that my discipline has
It's a
been
strong
forged so
rejection
many
from that
times at home.
range, so I think this trade's gonna work. I'm gonna let it
The
work.
reflex is to follow the rule. That reflex is worth more than any chart, any tip, any system. That reflex is survival. Tell me, what reflexes have you forged, and which weaknesses
Let
still
it work,
command you
let
when
it
pressure
work.
rises?
Push on down there, push on
Is
down.
not some abstract virtue. It is your armor.
22 points in the profits, 23, 20.
With it, you can stand still while others are swept away. But don't think it comes as a blessing from
Come
above.
on, let's
You
go.
must earn it, hammer by hammer, blow by blow, until you are tempered like steel.
Come on, 24
And
points.
then, you must guard it, polish it, and test it each day.
26,
That's why I tell you
29,
again,
come
discipline is
on.
forged, not
There we
learned.
go. 30-point trade right there.
Constant activity.
446 in the profits.
Every man who tries to trade without it pays for sooner or later.
We got off to a little bit of a rough start. Well, we got off to a good start, then it kind of got kind of rough for a trade or two.
Always selling, always reacting.
But I now have this account, $52,000, $12. So this one is only $600 away from a payout. So as of, I think, next Wednesday, I'll be able to get a payout. So I just between now and Wednesday, I just need to get about $600 in profit. So that should be pretty doable. So I'm done with that account for the day. Now I will trade my new funded account here, or my new evaluation account. Let's lock in 10 points real quick on that. See if we can trade to the downside of this range here.
I was wrong. The losses were small at first.
See if we can grab 10 points, push it on down to VWAP.
Losses accumulate faster than a storm gathers.
Come
And soon
on.
I realized that being busy for the sake of action had cost me far more than the few trades that had paid off.
Push it on back down to the
but it sank
bottom of
deep.
that range.
Speed without patience
Let's
is a
see if we can
ruinous
get that.
habit. Ask yourself, how many
It's a
trades
strong
have you made
5-minute
because you
bar.
could not bear to wait?
Let's see what we
Patience
can
is
do
not
here.
idle. It is a disciplined form of activity.
Maybe take out
It is watching the market,
that low.
studying the rhythm of price movements, waiting for the moment when
See
the
if we can grab
opportunity
that.
is unmistakable. Many men cannot
67,
distinguish between
47,
patience and
20.
inactivity.
That's a 20-something
They sit
point
and
move
fidget,
right there if we
anxious
can
for a
grab
moment,
it.
and they mistake this anxiety for
That'd be a good way to start
But true patience is
that
calm,
evaluation
almost
off.
invisible, like a predator waiting for the prey to
Alright,
walk into
let's
the trap.
see. 19, 21. There we go. There we go. Got over 20 points on that one.
The man who waits gains it. I remember
Good way to
when
start
I was
the
trading commodities,
evaluation.
the test
10
of
more
man's
points off of
nerves and
that
his
one.
courage. It's
See
easy
if we
to
can
watch
grab
a
10 more
market and
points.
see a move you think you understand. It's easy to believe that if you don't act now, the opportunity will vanish. But I've learned, and the market
That's a
has
strong
taught me that the
push.
right opportunity does not vanish. It waits for the prepared man. Most traders are
Alright,
impatient.
so maybe we
because
don't
they are
bounce off of
unprepared.
this,
They have not studied the
the
rhythm.
bottom of this
They
range
have not
here.
understood the market's
Just yet,
tendencies,
anyway.
and they have not trained their mind to
Let's
wait.
see. 5
When
points
you cultivate
down.
patience, you give yourself the ability to
See if
act
we can
when the
keep
conditions
pushing.
are
Come on.
unmistakable, and
Don't
only
bounce
then.
yet. Don't
Do
bounce
you know why
yet.
impatience is so expensive? Because it tricks you into believing you are trading wisely when you are trading recklessly.
See if we can grab 10 points real quick before this thing bounces back up. Alright, I think we're going to try to bounce off this range. I got out of there for a small loss. Had to stop that.
And habits in trading are either your most
All
loyal
right.
ally or your
10
deadliest
points to
enemy.
the upside.
I had
Let's
to
go for
unlearn this
that.
lesson the hard way.
I think we're
After
bouncing
losing more than
down
I
here at the
cared to
bottom of this
recount in
range.
Trades that were rushed, trades that were unnecessary,
Come
trades that
on.
were made because of the value of extreme patience. The market had been moving sideways for weeks. Everyone around me was acting, taking small
Stopped
positions,
out. I should have
closing
left
them
that
out,
short
buying
open.
and selling in a frenzy. I did nothing.
Alright, now we're down
I tracked
about
the strength and
200.
weakness. The
5-minute candle's
without
turning
words spoken,
green. It's
if the
forming a
stock was weak or
doji.
if it was strong. Now why was that?
Alright,
Because my
let's
mind was
see.
tuned to the rhythm. My mind was trained.
See if we can
Most
catch
of the
along
other
here.
boys, they were chasing
Put
tips,
the stop down
chasing the
at
hope
below
that
the
somebody else knew
range.
better. Tell me, do you still chase tips today? Don't be ashamed if you do. It craves action. You think you're trading for profit, but half the time you're trading
Stopped
for
out
thrill.
right there. Looks like we might make a
The young
new
fellow
low
bets
on the
just to feel
day.
alive,
Break
and then he
below
wonders why his pockets are
pre-market
empty.
lows.
If you want to win this game,
Probably take out some stops there before heading back up. So now I'm 888 in the red on this new evaluation account.
think about the fellows who blow out their accounts. They're not always fools.
Alright, strong momentum to the downside.
Smart men without
Go ahead
training
and
minds,
trade with it.
smart gamblers.
Working our way back towards break even
Do you know what ruins
on the
most
day
men?
on this
It isn't the bad trade,
evaluation.
it's the series of small trades
Come on.
that nibble them to death. The untrained mind wants to always be in, always be doing.
Come
So it
on,
chips
push it
away,
on down
buying
there.
here, selling there, never letting the account breathe. And little by little, the capital shrinks. Then, when the real opportunity comes,
Come on, we had
there's
8
no
points.
powder left to use. That's the price of
There we
a
go,
disciplined
10
mind.
points.
And the tragedy is, it
Push
cannot
back up.
distinguish between patience and
That
inactivity.
5-minute candle
They
did
sit
break
and fidget,
above
anxious
the
for
other
a
one.
moment, and they mistake this anxiety for market knowledge. But true patience is calm, almost
Alright,
invisible,
we're going to take this
like a
long
predator
here.
waiting for the prey to walk into the
Target
trap.
there.
Do you understand the difference? The man who fidgets loses his edge. The man who waits gains it. I remember one winter when I was trading commodities.
Let's see what we can get here.
Swinging back and forth
24.610.
in small moves, teasing everyone with what
Let's
looked like
do
potential
D30.
profits.
That's a 40-point trade there. If I can get that,
Feeling
that
the
would be really
temptation
nice
strike
to
at every twitch.
help get this
But I did
account
strike
back.
at
Looking
the test of
decent.
man's nerves and his courage. It's easy to watch a market and see a
Keep
move
pushing,
you think you
bulls. Keep
understand.
pushing.
It's easy to believe that if you don't act now, the opportunity will vanish. But I've learned.
I think we can go higher on this trade, so I'm going to just leave this trade open.
It waits for
34 points so far.
Most
That's a
traders
strong
are impatient
5-minute bar.
because they are unprepared. They have not studied
Strong
the rhythm.
5-minute bar
They
there.
have not understood the market's tendencies, and they have no impatience is so expensive.
It's a strong 5-minute
It
bar.
tricks you into believing you are trading wisely when you are trading recklessly.
I'll cut it at 35 points.
Premature trade is a lesson.
Okay, that got us back in the green barely. Alright guys, I'm going to call it a day as far as the video is concerned. I'm up 446 on the funded account, got it over 52,000, so it's getting close to a payout. And still, I'm not sure what's going on with this evaluation. I thought I hit the trailing drawdown, but this morning it still let me enter a trade. I just did this $50 just to test that to see if it was still active because it was still showing up on here. Not sure what's going on with that. I'll try to figure that out. And then I've got this fresh evaluation here. I was down in the red quite a bit earlier from a couple of losses, and I managed to catch a 35 point or so winner and got that just barely back above break even. So that's good. But as of right now, as far as the video goes, I'm going to call it a day. I'm still going to keep an eye on the charts, see if we get any nice setups, you know, off the bottom and top of this range that we're in. And I'll just go ahead and get this video uploaded, and I'll be probably making another video Monday or Tuesday, so make sure you're subscribed so you can see that. And also check out my short videos. I do a lot of updates for the crypto market. I think there's some good moves on the way for crypto pretty soon, and check those out. Comment below if you like these videos, if you want me to keep making them every single day, or if you don't like them, or if you got any questions about day trading, just let me know. But I'm out of here for now, and until the next video, peace out.